Loyudo riwruok mar Gavanas owuok tung' mosuo kod komiti mar od bura mar Senate ma ochung' ne rango kaka itiyo gi pesa e counties miluongo ni CPAC. Gavanas okoni ok gibi chopo e nyim Senate nyaka Senetas 4 manie komiti no thich oko e komiti nikech gikotogi kendo ketogi gi mibadhi mamoko. Walter Nyambaga nigi ler mar wachni.
Kagiloso kod ute fwambe log tich mar COG Nairobi, riwruok mar Gavanas koro nyonore ni ngang' ok ne gichopi e nyim komiti mar od bura mar Senate moyangore kaka CPAC marango tije mag Gavanas kod kaka gitiyo kod pesa mag kaunti. Nyaka chop Senetas 4 moting'o jakom mar CPAC Senetas Kajwang, Seneta Manandi Samson Cherargei, Seneta ma Nairobi Edwin Sifuna, Godfrey Osotsi ma Vihiga, to kod Richard Onyonka makisithichi oke komitino ne weche mag koto Gavanas.
So what we are raising is the conduct of these 4 senators, which conduct is not befitting of anyone holding the high office of a senator, and it is not out of the blue that a full council of governors meeting zeroed in on that committee and on those 4 senators.
67 senators, only 4 have a problem, and the whole Senate, including the Speaker, decides to sacrifice a very serious exercise by refusing to give us an audience.
Mage oyangore mana seche machuok bang' obila monjo City Hall maena apisi mar gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja kage getom dhiye bolo ratege kuome kendo ting'e gongo kichwale nyim Senate okang' riwruok mar Gavanas okuong'o.
But this matter of extortion, by the way, we are helping them in a way by saying, let's talk about these things before you go there. Because if each of us went there and played this on Hansard in front of you guys, we'll be putting that house into disrepute. And that's what we're avoiding. So the question is, when a governor is insulted, they're embarrassed and humiliated in the presence of their juniors, of their staff, is that part of the decorum that the court added in our appearance at Senate? That's a matter that we're trying to resolve.
But I would like someone to tell me how on earth would it have been possible for the Senate committee, even if they worked for 24 hours, to have a meaningful engagement with 29 governors on the same day? How many minutes was each governor supposed to engage themselves with the Senate?
Jakom mar COG Ahmed Abdullahi okoni barup meko mar gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja kod nyawadgi ma Samburu onge kopogore kod barua manyon ndiki kod karan mar bunge. Gikoni onge kaka Gavanas 29 nyalo chopo nyim komiti achiel e odiochieng' achiel.
Because I've listened to what the senators sometimes say, that we would like a certain governor to be brought in chains in front of Senate committee. How do you bring a governor in chains in front of a committee?
Koni obila mondo kichire gi chien kendo kik ti kod ge yore mag siasa ni mar tije mag Gavanas kod mag Senate do lero kaka itayo.
By the way, I spoke to some of his people and I realized there was no warrant of arrest against Governor Sakaja. The only thing there was a letter from the clerk of Senate to the IG. So we want to tell our policemen not to be misused.
Enono koso koto, gwelo koso ndicho. Riwruok mar Gavanas ogonyon ni ngang' ok negi chopi nyim komiti mar Senate marango tijegi ahinya maulo weche mag omenda nyaka thichi oko Senetas magikoni ni kod miluma mar kotogi. Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.